The book mentioned is printed on what type of paper? A. Bond paper. B. Recycled paper. C. Elegant Maplitho paper. D. Glossy paper. The correct answer is C. Elegant Maplitho paper. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? A. Bachendri Pal. B. Mother Teresa. C. Kiran Bedi. D. Pratibha Patil. The correct answer is A. Bachendri Pal. Which book was written by Jawaharlal Nehru? A. Hind Swaraj. B. Discovery of India. C. India Wins Freedom. D. My Experiments with Truth. The correct answer is B. Discovery of India. The provided table includes data for how many oceans? A. 4. B. 2. C. 3. D. 5. The correct answer is D. 5. How many oceans are on the Earth's surface? A. 7. B. 8. C. 5. D. 6. The correct answer is C. 5. Which code was amended by the Criminal Law Amendment Ordinance, 2018? A. Evidence Act. B. Indian Penal Code. C. Criminal Procedure Code. D. Civil Procedure Code. The correct answer is B. Indian Penal Code. Which year was the Tamil Nadu Motor Vehicles Rules enacted? A. 2000. Born in 1989. Circa 2010. D. 1988. The correct answer is born in 1989. What was Meghnad Saha's field of study? A. Biology. B. Chemistry. C. History. D. Physics. The correct answer is D. Physics. Which ancient Indian texts governed both individuals and society through dharmic laws? A. Puranas. B. Vedas. C. Upanishads. D. Smritis. The correct answer is D. Smritis. Within what limits does the High Court exercise its powers and freedom? A. Economic constraints. B. Its jurisdiction. C. Political directives. D. International treaties. The correct answer is B. Its jurisdiction. What was the eventual outcome of the struggle against racial discrimination in South Africa mentioned in the text? A. End of slavery. B. End of apartheid. C. End of colonialism. D. End of monarchy. The correct answer is B. End of apartheid. Which number country was India to introduce Nota? A. 14th. B. 12th. C. 10th. D. 16th. The correct answer is A. 14th. Which issues does COPRA aim to check? A. Environmental pollution and public safety. B. Taxation and government expenditure. C. Defects in goods and deficiencies in services. D. Labor disputes and industrial production. The correct answer is C. Defects in goods and deficiencies in services. Which of the following countries is mentioned as having a more developed system of pressure groups than India? A. China. B. Japan. C. Brazil. D. Germany. The correct answer is D. Germany. Who handled the quality control, QC, for the book? A. Tamil Virtual Academy. B. Ramesh Munisamy. C. V.S. John Smith. D. Manohar Radhakrishnan. The correct answer is D. Manohar Radhakrishnan. Which two parties are prominent in the USA's bi-party system? A. Green Party and Liberal Party. B. Republican Party and Democratic Party. C. Socialist Party and Communist Party. D. Labour Party and Conservative Party. The correct answer is B. Republican Party and Democratic Party. What is the name of the most famous novel by Bankim Chandra mentioned? A. Anand Math. B. Durgesh Nandini. C. Devdas. D. Geetanjali. The correct answer is A. Anand Math. According to UNESCO, what is the impact of a single year of primary education on a girl's future wages? A. It decreases her wages by 10%. B. It has no significant impact on her wages. C. It increases her wages by 50%. D. It increases her wages by 20%. The correct answer is D. It increases her wages by 20%. Jana Gana Mana is the national ____ of India. A. Flag. B. Song. C. Anthem. D. Bird. The correct answer is C. Anthem. What is the purpose of parking lights and caution triangles when a vehicle breaks down? A. To mark a blind spot. B. To alert other drivers to the breakdown. C. To signal a turn. D. To indicate a parking zone. The correct answer is B. To alert other drivers to the breakdown. Which entity is responsible for the conduct of foreign relations of India? A. Ministry of External Affairs. B. Ministry of Defense. C. Ministry of Finance. D. Ministry of Home Affairs. The correct answer is A. Ministry of External Affairs. What concept refers to a nation not aligning itself with military blocs in international affairs? A. Military intervention. B. Bloc membership. C. Alliance formation. D. Non-alignment. The correct answer is D. Non-alignment. Who is considered the source of the Indian Constitution, as stated in the preamble? A. The political leaders. B. The British Parliament. C. The Constituent Assembly. D. The people of India. The correct answer is D. The people of India. What two concepts are explicitly linked together in the call to join the fight? A. Safety and quality. B. Education and equality. C. Education and technology. D. Freedom and access. The correct answer is B. Education and equality. What action does a green signal typically indicate? A. Prepare to stop. B. Stop and wait for the next signal. C. Proceed with caution. D. Stop behind the stop line. The correct answer is C. Proceed with caution. What was mentioned in one of Bharatyar's famous songs? A. The fertile plains of Indus. B. The fertile plains of Ganges. C. The fertile plains of Brahmaputra. D. The fertile plains of Yamuna. The correct answer is B. The fertile plains of Ganges. What does government refer to in the context of the state? A. The ceremonial functions. B. The judicial functions. C. The executive functions. D. The legislative functions. The correct answer is C. The executive functions. Which university is Dr. R. Jagankumar associated with as an assistant professor and head? A. University of Madras. B. Annamalai University. C. Bharatidasan University. D. Periyar University. The correct answer is C. Bharatidasan University. Which landform is classified as a third-order landform? A. Beaches. B. Plateaus. C. Plains. D. Mountains. The correct answer is A. Beaches. Which House of Parliament can introduce a motion of no confidence? A. Rajya Sabha only. B. State Legislative Assemblies. C. Lok Sabha only. D. Both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. The correct answer is C. Lok Sabha only. How did you score?